The Perryville Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at Perryville, Missouri on March 19, 2024 at 12 p.m. Abducted was Asia Laron, unknown, male, age 3. Suspect vehicle is a white 2007 Mercury Grand Marquis sedan, 4-door bearing Alabama registration 50A242P. Suspect is Donald T. Laron, a white, male, 34, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 200 pounds, has brown hair and green eyes. Suspect has tattoos on both arms and a Libra tattoo on his left shoulder. Victim Asia Laron has brown hair and brown eyes. Suspect has contacted the victim's mother by phone and made credible threats towards the victim within the last 24 hours. Suspect and victim may currently be in Tennessee and are possibly traveling to Alabama. Please call 911 or Perryville Police Department at 573-547-4546 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.